using this tinted glass.
The Khon National Awakening Movement, or Khnam, today organized a one-day sit-in demonstration on Malki football ground, protesting the state government's inaction on their demand to eliminate personal interviews from the recruitment process for Group B, C and D positions. Khnam's working president Thomas Pasa argued that recruitment should be based solely on written examinations to ensure that the most deserving candidates are selected, thereby reducing opportunities for nepotism and ensuring a transparent process.
In the country also have done away with the personal interview. The only core objective is so that we have a very clean way of recruitment for government jobs, so that we do away with nepotism, corrupt way of employment. And similarly, we want the same to happen in the state. But we are very sad to inform that for the past more than 1 year now, the MD government has been turning a blind eye to these very important demands, which can only benefit the youth of the state.
Following the 6-year suspension of non